If you want to manage notifications of lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy A56, well, let me explain everything to you. It's quite easy to do. Now let's open up our settings and let's scroll down to our notifications tab. Choose it and find your lock screen notifications. Let's enable them. So here, first of all, we can choose the notification style, such as dot, icons, or cards. This is a style and the visual style which you're gonna see when you're gonna have your notification. Also, you can choose whether to show content of the notification or hide content. If you want to show content, you can tap on this gear icon and adjust which application's content you want to see. Also, you can enable your show alert notifications only option. And basically that's it. If you want to turn off your notifications, tap on the switch again. However, I will keep them on. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.